Hey guys, so I just received my CYMA Airsoft shotgun in the mail, and I thought I'd just make a little unboxing video just to show you guys what's in it. So this is basically the box, that's it. You know, got a good old that, and under here it's just plastic. I'll rip this open. One shotgun shell, it's pretty cool. Alright, so let's do, oh hey, it comes with a speed loader. Actually that looks kinda similar to the speed loader I already have. Not bad. Got some very cheap BBs. Oh, it's heavy. Styrofoam on it. Okay, so I figured out how this thing works. The safety mechanism is actually right here, right behind the trigger. Obviously you have to turn it off to fire the gun. There is a little latch right here. There's a button here, you press it and it comes out.
War never changes.
Mine's new, so it's kind of stiff. And then with the shell I showed you earlier, using the little yellow BBs, there's no special way to do it. It seems like you just load 12 up into the shell. I do more, but I don't want to break it, and this is the only one. 8. $11, $12, all right. Okay. It's kind of unfortunate that they only give you one, but I assume that you could probably buy more online. I bet e-bike has more. Basically, I find it satisfying just the way you slide it in there, close it, and then that's also nice. And it shoots out 3 at a time, so that's cool. Okay, and actually as I'm looking, it appears that one BB actually broke. I am going to do a review. Okay, well that's fun. I am going to do a review on this gun with my chrono to see what the exact FPS is, so I guess stay tuned for that.